Hey and welcome. Today I will show you how to open any website link from your project or game with simple button. All you need to is create button inside your project and write one line of code. So let's jump in and do it. So first I create the script. Let's call it open links and just open that. And now we don't need any of that. And let's make quick function. So public void, and let's call that links. And here I just write application dot open URL, and inside here you just need to put any website link you would like to open. So let's get some, just copy that and paste, save. And now let's create some object to hold the script, or maybe I'll just use the old one. I'll just put it here. And now you go to your button, just create simple button with name open links. And here on the click option, if you don't have that like this, just press the plus. And now move the object with the script you have, put inside and find the function. And my scarlet link. Save that and let's play. And now if I press the button, I should be sent to the website I just added in the code. And everything is working. So that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos from my channel. See you next time. Cheers.